Man, fighting in the ring is one of the like hardest thing in the world. You understand? Because when I beat Portable to death, I was not feeling tired after the fight.
All right, Portable and Carter Efe. The fight no easy, is very rough. People think say Portable go just undo Carter Efe like that or more. The fight rugged, but before the fight sef, they trade words to each other. Yes, Portable, Carter Efe, they no gree for each other. Wey be say even Portable they go Jasmine house, they invoke different thing, but Portable when he reach field, he come with masquerade saying go display with his Zazu style to finish Carter Efe. But you see the fight, you see the fight. Carter Efe self no gree. People think say Portable go just walk over Carter Efe, but Carter Efe stand himself dey show madness say for here, hey, who get ground pass na he go win. But no forget say they been promise Carter Efe say if he win Portable, they go carry and go Germany. Who promise am? You know na Nigerian footballer Boniface, now he promised Carter say if he win Portable, he go carry and go Germany. Yes, we go give you update on that. That one is sure. But this fight,
three times champion, only one. Straight winning. Oh yeah,
this one with the fear. Portable with the fear. He must. Bro, I don't go beat and look, I go beat him Ike.
oh my God, real rugged. See as Portable and Carter Efe they blow themselves. Even the fans they cheer up. You don't tell where boxing ring full for Nigeria like this. I think people who plan this one need to tell Nigerian Boxing Association. Say they need to put fun, comedy among all those competition where they do. So go to drag people come out, come watch wetin dey happen. But Carter Efe, Portable, this fight rugged pass anything. Don't forget say na Efe say he go still fight Pella because Pella say he go put 5 million down. He go beat Efe. But make we dey look, he go still get out to face Efe because Portable been beat Charles. Yes, he beat Charles Okocha the other time. That one no dey gree talk again. But now everything they go really serere. Who go win the next one? Who Efe go meet last or Portable go challenge am again? You say you know say for Naija anything will be entertainment. That's so it dey hot like fire. I be also Baba if you never know who they talk. But don't forget say this channel they really hot. We go to give an update. Don't forget say that woman we talk about bread. People still they talk about them. We go give now another woman don't talk about book. But the cocoa where they happen, people never talk about that. Which people supposed to talk that? We go tell you now the issue where they go on about all those things. Then Portable, bye. Carter Efe don't knock him. He beat him, not be small. He beat him. We know say two of them they fight like novice, but Portable supposed do pass that one. Yes, Portable supposed do because he don't fight 1, 2 or how many fights before. This one na Efe first fight. The guy even faint when he fight finish. They just say no easy. The guy faint, sleep for ground, say oh I don't die. So now here we go end up. But don't forget say make you subscribe so you go to get updates for this channel. See you next time.
What was the hardest part of it? Obviously you've never done it before.
Yeah, the hardest part was me breathing like a dog. Yeah. After I won the fight, I was so tired because that was my first fight.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you, you jumped over the rope. Was that planned? Did you do that deliberately? When you fell off the rope, did you do that deliberately?
No, that's my lifestyle. You understand? But people think I'm so funny that it's a comedy boy that I cannot beat Portable. This is the bet.
Yeah.
W's.
Lots of people watch the show on the Zone tonight worldwide. They'll want to see you fight against some of these famous guys on.
Let me just
drop me some names.
I want to fight with Mayweather. Yeah, and I want to fight with Davis. You understand that short boy that is shot like Portable? Davis. I want to fight with Davis.